Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video I want to show you how you can make the PCB with picture or the uh, how can make the PCB with color sync screen. Some people they asking me how you make this PCB, how can I putting the PCB with my picture, and then how you can put your picture, how you can put any picture on your PCB. So some people they say, this PCB is so amazing. How can I do it? So let me show you. So don't forget to subscribe on this channel. So I have to teach you everything, yo. So the first thing you have to do after completing the PCB, because I make the more tutorial for the making the PCB, how can you think, how can you do it. So okay, so we have to go to the setting first, and then we go to the system, we go to the general, and then you have to go to the general here, and then you check if this one using GLC color sync screen technology is open. You look, for me already is open, no need to open it again. So right, so then the next thing you have to do is this one. Just you have first you have the picture. So for me, just I go to the internet and then I downloading the picture for the summer because I like summer. Of course, it's good time for me. So the white and then I can here, and so the next thing you have to go to the file and then go to the input. You have to inputting the image, right? So and then let me check this one. I think this picture is good, and okay, I have to wait a little bit, and then you here this image you have to open there. Okay, this file. So the next thing you have to do, you have to go to the file, and then go to the input image. So you take this one. So you have to press original image here, see, and then okay. See here, then press here, and then you can change in the size according how you want. So and do anything you like. See how it look like. That's good. And then this one is on the top. The rear is on the top. Okay, let me put another picture on the bottom. So because I need to make some good thing. So me like okay, then add this picture on the bottom. You have to press here. Don't forget this one. See, and then you see still is on top. We don't need it on the top. Just have to put it on the bottom side. You see, and what is the next? Okay, to check how it look like. We go to the 3D. You see, still it look like the same. But you have to go here and then go to the change to the colorful thing screen. You see how it look like? It's so good. It's so good. You see. But then another from today you can make the PCB you want. You can make anything. Some people they ask me how you can do this one. Hope you learn important thing on this video. I think you learned the important thing, right? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.